John, arms down here.
You have to face him.
I want to see you guys do that. And then second, you take a step out, and your arms up.
John, arms
Scott, arms out.
Okay, now third, it's tricky. Your right heel is going to go to the middle of your left foot. So take out the middle.
Oh, they got it, they got it.
Your right hand.
Left arm goes up, right arm stays here.
Third.
Now fourth, you're going to step forward with your right foot, put your right arm forward.
Right arm forward, there you go. Oh, that's awesome.
Scott, right arm bent a little more.
Bend your arm in. Scott! Oh, there you go, there you go, there you go, there you go.
So we got fourth, and then fifth, you stuck it all in, toed in, stick it all in, toed in.
Don't breathe. Hold it.
It's not the YMCA, Doug.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.